Hey guys, it's Takasta here. I'm in my dorm, and today I've got a review on the Happy Hacking Pro 2. So I'm taking a change. I'm doing this because I'm a keyboard fanatic as well. So I'm going to do a review on this keyboard that I just bought, the Happy Hacking Pro 2. Pretty much the creme de la creme of keyboards. And as you know, we have rubber dome keyboards, then we have like mechanical switch keyboards, the Cherry MX blue browns, blacks, etc. Then we have like the Topre capacitative switch keyboards, which is the Happy Hacking Pro 2, also the Realforce. So basically, these keyboards, both the Realforce and this HHKB 2, they go for around crazy price, 250 US plus, 200 US plus. So the original price of this keyboard, because I'm situated in Hong Kong, is around like 2.4K, 2400, and that's about like 300 US. But I got this secondhand for a little bit cheaper. But basically, I'm selling some of my other previous keyboards to buy this one because of pretty much the form factor, the keys, the build quality, and basically everything. So I'm gonna post some pictures and also do a review on this keyboard and why. For some people, it might just be a keyboard, but for others, it's really a passion. And I am a proud owner of this keyboard right now. So here we go. So as you can see, the Happy Hacking Keyboard Pro 2 has a very small form factor, and basically you can see that removed all the unnecessary keys, such as like the F1, F2, F3 keys on the top, and then like even the arrow keys are removed. And so basically it just keeps all the essential things on the keyboard. But then what they did do is they put all like the function keys. They have a function button and they put all the function keys, so modifiers, so on the right side of the keyboard and the left side of the keyboard. So we see in this picture here, it's a picture of the DPI switches, and this DPI switch is actually pretty cool. What it does is that it allows you to configure your keyboard to like a Mac settings, Mac Windows, and Linux settings as well. And also you could basically change the function or alternate the Alt keys and control keys and the Shift command keys and alternate them, which is pretty cool. So here we have a picture of the back of the keyboard where it just has details of the how you can change the keywords and change the keys, which is pretty nice. One additional thing is that there's a USB. It's detachable, the cable, so basically you can plug and play this keyboard, which is awesome. And we can see that I taped the back of the keyboard just to maintain like the quality of the sticker on the back. So here's a comparison of the Happy Hacking Keyboard Pro 2 with a Filco Tenkeyless of mine. And as you can see, it's kind of a direct comparison. And the Tenkeyless is basically 60%, the Tenkeyless was 80% and the HHKB 2 is 60%. So here's a direct comparison on top of each other, and you can really see Happy Hacking Keyboard really just keeps all the essential things, so it's good for portability and all that jazz, which is pretty nifty. And if you can see like the height of the keyboards, the Happy Hacking Pro 2 is also pretty much the same height as the Tenkeyless Filco, but is much lighter in this regard. And we have like a comparison here of the HHKB 2 with the Filco Tenkeyless and the Realforce Topre full-size 103 UB. So you can see that it's a comparison of the 60% keyboard with an 80% and a 100% full-size keyboard, and you really see the smallness of the Happy Hacking Pro 2. And doing a direct comparison of the HHKB Pro 2 with the Realforce, you can see the keys on the HHKB are actually closer together than the Realforce. The Realforce is the one on the bottom, the Happy Hacking keyboard is one on the top. And if you can see that the typing, I'll show you right now, so stay tuned. Or not right now, but I want to show you that how I use my Happy Hacking keyboard with my 24-inch monitor. So I place it in front. So it looks just very small in comparison, but it's really centralized in front of the keyboard. Also, a really good method to use this keyboard is that I can pretty much just place it on top of my MacBook Pro, which fits pretty much perfectly. I've never had a keyboard fit so perfectly on my keyboard. So I can actually bring this keyboard out with my MacBook Pro and use an awesome keyboard instead of my crappy like membrane. So this ends my review for the Happy Hacking Keyboard Pro 2. Overall, it's a magnificent keyboard with the form factor and like the typing touch of the Topre capacitative key touches. So it's really hard to describe what they feel like, but all you have to know is it's pretty awesome. Like, thanks for watching my review, and hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks.